So here's Holeshot Performance's DL1000 V-Strom performance exhaust. And I'm going to tell you, it was one of the easiest exhaust installs I've ever done. I have to admit, it is great sounding without being obnoxious. So that's what she looks like. That's what she looks like on the bike without the side bag on. And here's what it looks like with the side bag on. As you can tell, it just peeks out from the back. Gives me enough clearance away from the bag so that way I know heat definitely isn't going to the bag. You shouldn't have to worry about it even if you went to a shorter one. This is the 17-inch, and there's gobs of freaking clearance there. Alright, now I'll go ahead and start it up, let you listen to it. So there you have it, right at idle. Tell, it just gives it a rumble. That's about it. Not to mention dropping quite a bit of weight as opposed to the stock can. Tell you what we'll do. Give you a few revs here. There you have it. The Holeshot Performance exhaust for the DL1000 V-Strom. I'll give you guys a couple flybys so that way you can hear what everyone else gets to hear.